Compact living, grand style. 2025's latest furniture trends for small and modern homes. Step into the future of compact living with the 2025 furniture design trends that prove small spaces can radiate big elegance. This year, designers focus on multifunctional pieces that blend style and practicality seamlessly. Imagine sleek, foldable tables, modular sofas, and smart storage solutions that maximize every inch of your home, ensuring style does not have to be compromised by space constraints. Central to this year's trends are transformative furniture pieces and clever design innovations that encapsulate both form and function. Every item, from adjustable shelving units to retractable benches, is crafted to serve multiple purposes. This isn't just a matter of utility. It's about reinventing how we perceive and use our living spaces, allowing each piece to stand as a testament to thoughtful design. Focal decor elements, such as statement mirrors and artistic lighting fixtures, take center stage, enhancing both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of interiors. These features create an illusion of space and introduce an element of sophistication that echoes throughout the home. Statement lighting, in particular, is designed to serve as both an art piece and a practical necessity, bathing rooms in elegance and contributing to a warm, inviting ambience. It's about finding beauty in functionality and acknowledging that even the smallest details can transform and elevate a space. The trends of 2025 also place a significant emphasis on using natural materials and calming color palettes that bring serenity to modern living spaces. Envision warm wood tones, soft linen fabrics, and earthy hues that work in harmony to create a cozy yet refined atmosphere. These choices develop an environment that invites relaxation and reflects a simple elegance. Accent pieces, such as handcrafted ceramics and textured rugs, infuse personality and depth, making your home distinctly yours. Furthermore, there is a conscientious shift toward sustainability as designers prioritize eco-friendly materials and processes. This approach allows you to enjoy a beautiful, modern living space while remaining mindful of the planet's health. What truly sets these 2025 trends apart is their ability to make small spaces feel open and inviting. Clever layouts, innovative furniture, and strategic decor elements transform compact homes into havens of elegance and charm. Whether you're furnishing a cozy studio apartment or a minimalist townhouse, these designs celebrate the art of living well despite spatial limitations. Your home becomes a canvas reflecting modern elegance, where every furniture piece and every detail is an expression of your personality and values. Embrace the trends of 2025 and discover how small homes can truly embody big elegance, fostering an environment that supports comfort, beauty, and mindful living.